Good morning, SK.
Good morning, SK.
Welcome back, SK.
Good morning, South.
What are you guys doing here? Get off my stage! Go! Get out of here!
Hi everyone. Yeah, it looks like Mr. Murillo is about done with the cast of the upcoming play, All Theaters Closed Until Further Notice. Luckily, we were able to film it before he came barging in. Well, it is his theater, so. Anyways, if you want to see it yourself, you could still buy tickets through Thursday. The play will air Friday and Saturday next week via Zoom. Now I'm Alex, and let's start off the show right, with less yelling teachers and more vital information for your everyday life. If you want to meet Mr. Murillo in the most challenging and rewarding theater class, perform in front of hundreds during improv nights, and see musicals at Fifth Avenue Theater, you should audition for the 2021-2022 Acting Ensemble. Auditions will be held next Monday and Tuesday from 2:30 to 4 in Stage 1. Contact Mr. Murillo for more details. Another team looking for new members is our very own cheer team.
Offense, let's go! And one! Offense, let's go! Hands up in the house!
If you have any questions about trying out for cheer, contact Ms. Hayes. Attention track athletes, all track gear is due to Coach Madison by Tuesday to avoid fines. Bring it to room 329 before or after school. Other ways to get involved around South are clubs. Athletic Medicine is selling cool shirts for their fundraiser. Buy yours today at the ASB office. STEM is currently meeting on Tuesdays at 3. Be sure to join the STEM Club classroom for meeting updates. Interact Club is looking for officers for the 2021-2022 school year. Attend their meeting tomorrow via Zoom at 2:05 if you're interested in running. If you have any questions about elections or just want to know more about what Interact Club is, contact Lana Duque. There will be no DECA meeting today as the Grand Awards session for ICDC will be streamed today at 5. Join them virtually to see Emily Irvine, Jesse Lacrosse Lambert, and Lana Duque in DECA class. Stay tuned for the scroll to see other activities happening around school. Looking to expand your greenery?
Do you like planting? Do you like breathing? Do you like flowers? For those who answered yes to any of those questions, I have good news for you. The FFA plant sale is happening tomorrow and Saturday from 9 to 4 at the South Kitsap Greenhouse. They will be selling a range of plants anywhere between $2 and $25, and all must be paid in cash. Proceeds from the sale will go to the SKHS Plant Science program. Mask and social distancing is required and everybody is welcome, so come down and support your community and your fellow wolves.
I think I'm going to buy some plants for my mom and grandma on this Mother's Day this Sunday. IB Action is having a Minecraft live stream fundraiser for Seattle Children's Hospital. Make a donation at the link on your screen to receive an electronic invite to casting with Aiden on YouTube. This event will be streamed every Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday from 2:30 to 4 until May 30th. Attention seniors, there's a lot happening your way, so listen up. If you have signed to play a sport at college, please go to the athletic office or email Ms. Mueller so you can be recognized. For anyone interested in the Herbert and Glides Thiessen Memorial Scholarship for nursing or business, the deadline has been extended to May 14th. Have you completed your high school and beyond plan? If not, sign up for the final Zello work party for May 26th, as this is a graduation requirement. You need to get it done. Another thing you should get done is voting registration. You could register in the guidance office or by asking your English teachers. Register to vote as your future depends on it. Have you checked out the senior newsletter for May? It has tons of information on graduation that you need to know now. One of those key pieces of information comes from us. Video production is starting work on the senior video. The senior video will air just before graduation officially starts on June 19th. Want to be a part of it? Send your pictures or videos to tinyurl.sk2021 senior video. You can also email us at sktv@skschools.org. Finally, you can also use the hashtag SKGrad100 as we are using on screen. Okay, director, you can take out the graphics now. Thanks. Well, that wraps up our show for today. Have a wonderful day, SK.